पार्ट 1 में हमने जून 2026 का टैरो प्रेडिक्शन किया था एरीज से लेके वर्गो तक। अब ये है पार्ट 2, इसमें हम करेंगे लिब्रा से लेके पाइसेस तक। तो अगर आपका लगन मून शाइन या सनशाइन इसमें पड़ता है या किसी भी ऐसे इंसान को जिसको आप जानते हैं, तो ये वीडियो उनसे ज़रूर शेयर करेगा, क्योंकि हम कर रहे हैं जून 2026 का प्रेडिक्शन इनके लिए कैसा जाएगा विद द हेल्प ऑफ टैरो। सो लेट्स बिगिन विथ लिब्रा. So how June 2026 is going to be for Libra? Okay. So I see a lot of energy of leadership, of authority, but at the same time, this leadership and authority is asking you to bring more balance. Okay. So, every situation that you handle, you be a leader, you be firm, you be logical, but at the same time, you have to also approach that thing emotionally. You also have to bring that compassion and softness towards that thing, whatever your project is, if it is a relationship or if it is a work thing or a health thing, whatever it is. Okay. You can't be all like that tough person, all like logical and leadership and not listening to your heart. You have to basically listen to your heart and to your head both simultaneously. You have to make sure you be logical, but at the same time very enthusiastic towards it. So there has to be a balance basically. Okay. At the same time, Librans, I'm also seeing you need to balance between you and the opposite gender that you have in your life. If you are a male, have a balance between you and that person, whoever the female, important female is there in your life, have a balance between you and them. And if you're a female, whoever is that your male, in India we call pasandida aurat or pasandida mard. So just have a balance between you and them. Give equal amount of attention and love to them and yourself. So, maintain that balance. Okay. Now let's move to Scorpio. June 2026, how it is going to be for Scorpio. If you are a Scorpion, then please tune into your higher self. And guys, this is a general reading. Take what resonates and just leave what does not. If you want a personal reading, please comment below. So Scorpio, June 2026 for you. So I do see a lot of action. I do see a lot of stress, plus also a lot of conflict. Now this conflict and this stress can be with other people and can be just inside your head, just with yourself, and between your head and your heart. So basically you trying to keep your point of view in front, and basically you not succeeding in that is what will be making it more stressful for you for this entire month. Okay, there might be events, there might be things, because you will be trying to keep a point of view, you will be trying to make yourself understand other people, but I would say, understand them. And if they can't understand your point of view, leave that thing then and there, because if you don't do that, there will be a lot of exhaustion and you might become hopeless in because of that, if you don't take care of this thing. What happens a lot of times when we are fighting with somebody based on a point of view, because whatever you think is coming from your point of view, and whatever they think is coming from their point of view. So it's not about right and wrong, it's about bringing that balance and understanding and coming to a midway. But I see that that is not happening. I also see this will be because of a lot of hidden things will be coming out, a lot of things which you were not aware of previously. You will be becoming aware of this in this month, and because of that I can see you have to be struggling with maintaining your position actually. Okay, so all the best, Scorpions. I will just say, understand other people and yourself also, and if other people are not understanding you, then just leave it and move on. Now let's move forward to Sagittarius. June 2026 for Sagittarius, how it is going to be. I see a lot of isolation. Okay, so Sagittarius, I know you people are the ones who have made yourself like a self-made person. You're a very self-made person. You don't like taking help from other people. You are somebody who enjoys your own company, but I would say it's time that you take little help from other people. You will find it difficult in this month to get that help, specifically in monetary terms. In monetary terms, I do see there might be some kind of losses, or there might be some kinds of difference of opinion between you and other people when it would come to finances, either between your partners or with your family or in your workplace. I don't know where, but there will be some kind of difference of opinion. You will be feeling like as if you're not worthy. you will be feeling as if all the hard work that you did for so long is of no use or of no worth. But that's not true. You have to take your stand. That's why these cards have come. You have to take your stand, you have to believe in yourself, and you have to be there for yourself, because you really did all that you could do for yourself. So it's now time that you need to be really, like, have your own spine, and rather than expecting it from other people. I also see that you need to take a little time off for your vacation time. Do some self-healing or self-love, self-care, whatever you feel like doing. Please do it, because I do see this month is going to bring a lot of stress, specifically in the finance area or in the area where you feel very stability. Like, for example, last 6 months, if you have felt stability in some area of your life, that part is going to shaken up a little. So please take care of that and be your own spine and take your stand. Be firm on that. Okay? So now let's move to Capricorn, June 2026. Capricorn, please tune into your higher self and let's see what is for you. Okay, I see a lot of decision impending with regard to money and all that. You're feeling stuck, you're feeling you don't know what to do, what not to do, and I can actually perceive it is more about money. It is more about long-term decisions. Is it more about long-term investments also? Some kind of, you are trying to find out which way to choose. You are trying to do some kind of research or trying to find out what will work for you and what will not work for you. But still, this is not the month where you're going to get the clarity, because you'll feel stuck. You'll feel like as if there's no way out. But you know what is the way out here? Just surrender, keep calm. This month is not the month to decide. Just let this time pass. Sometimes just accepting how things are helps a lot. It's a very beautiful thing that I learned from my mentor, and it gives a lot of peace. It does give a lot of peace and a lot of happiness in life. So just accept and let time pass. Okay? Let's move on to Aquarius. June 2026. Aquarius, how it is going for you? Okay. I'll pull out one more card. So, is there any kind of family dispute going on, Aquarius? Is there any kind of delay in some kind of a family decision? And is it because of a female member? I would not go deep in that, but I would definitely say there is some kind of a decision impending. You are expecting some kind of decision to happen in your family, but things are not moving. June is also not the month for that. Things will be in delay. There will be some kind of a control from a female member or a female party in your particular life. You might be that female, or somebody else might be that female who will be trying to control things, take authority, will be the leader. If you are this female, I would say take the leadership, be truthful, stick to your ethic and move. And if this female is somebody else who is trying to take the control, I would say be very aware of the words these people are using. Do not get into this thing that if that person is taking the leadership or controlling, it must be right. No, be aware of that. Okay, last but not the least, Pisces. June 2026 prediction. How June 2026 is going to be for you, Pisces. Okay, so Pisces, is there some kind of a past connection trying to rebuild in your life, or some people who were in the past and there was no connection before, but now they are coming back in your life? I would say still stay away, because I see it is, again, they are going to break your heart and leave you all alone. Again, they are going to, make you feel like as if you do not have any kind of worth. Again, they might try to, not understand your point of view, not understand what you want in life. So I would say if there is any kind of a past connection that is rebuilding in your life somehow, I would say don't get too emotional there. Just, maintain your boundaries, maintain your restrictions, and be aware of that. Okay, so guys, this was the part 2 for June 2026 prediction with the help of tarot. So if you have any kind of reading you want me to do on the video, comment that below. And if you know anybody who must listen to this video, please share it to them. Thank you so much.